Ay, artiha gid aning kami lagi ate. Oh, so guys, supposedly this is part 4 na sa to ang North Trip, no? Medyo natagalan. Anyways, ganun talaga. Busy kasi Alam nyo na, mama. So hectic ang schedule. So early kasi kaming umuwi kasi yung brother ko gusto niyang umuwi agad para makapaghinga. So kami naman, umuwi na din. It's really good because walang traffic. At saka, you know, ang ganda ng tanawin, di ba? Kasi sa north, parang mas malapad pa yung lupain rito. So makikita mo talaga yung province life. Somehow it's so refreshing and nakaka-stress free. Pati si Luke, gusto niya to. So on our way, we wanted to higop-higop some butong. And there, nakakita ra jud mi. So si Sir perting higop. And of course, di kita palapig, no? May higop sa dadiring dapita. A nice diri, no? Wish ko lang, no, natay dakong property and then kaong-kaong rataani. Sudnog-sudnog rata dig mga dahon-dahon. O, diba? Ka-nice, So yummy. So, ito na siya, guys. Pusing-pusing tayo dito. Higop-higop pod. It's really so refreshing. And ang butong kay lamisad kayo. So, once na mga rikitag probinsya, manghigop jud daging ani. And dahang kay ni sa Katmon, so namalitsad mi ani ilang mga suka, which is tempting kayo. So because it's too early pa, so nagsuri sa mi og SM Seaside. And dili na lang sad mi nag-lunch. So kami tanan medyo may pagka-haggard from travel. So while waiting for Papa na nagpalit og lunch, sila relax lang sa dire. So after having lunch, we let them play here sa Dino Deg, and which is very nice kay lahang room din, no, for the kids. As you can see, dahang kayong dinosaur, dahang kayong props, na sila pasand din na pebbles. And obviously, the kids were enjoying. Look at my Loki there. And my Sophie and Zoe also. It's quite nice in here. And definitely your kids will love in here. And si Luke, super busy. Nag-enjoy yun sila. For sure. So, ang laki ni Dino, no? So, pusing-pusing sa ang mother here. Sa may kuko ni Dino. So, this will be the whole place. And the entire room. Pero hindi lang ako nakapunta doon sa may loob kasi wala akong sacks. And we need to wear those sacks. So dito lang kami while waiting for the kids. So hanggang dito lang. Please watch my next vlog. Bye for now.